This recipe was actually inspired by a recipe I saw at Starbucks a few years ago, but I've put my own little twist on it. And I just wanted to share it with you guys now that the warm weather is coming. I'm Carrie from 25-Eight Coffee, and I'm here today to share with you one of my favorite warm weather coffee recipes. So today, what we are making is an iced coffee lemonade. This recipe was actually inspired by a recipe I saw at Starbucks a few years ago, but I've put my own little twist on it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys now that the warm weather is coming. So we are going to need lemonade, a little sparkling water, and a rich brew coffee. I'm using our 30 plus desks coffee, which is a darker brew, and it's 100% Peruvian coffee, and it's super, super good. You're going to need a mason jar or a large cup with ice in it, and more ice than you think you need because our coffee is very hot. Okay, so I made my lemonade, 4 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a tablespoon of sugar. Most people add a little bit more sugar to their lemonade, so you make your favorite lemonade and use it in this recipe. Okay, so for this one, we are going to start off with 1 cup of richly brewed dark coffee. Perfect. All right, we're gonna add that. Spill a little, which is okay. Because what's the fun if you don't make a mess? All right, so to that, we are going to add 1/2 cup of lemonade. Okay, and to that, we are then going to add a big splash of sparkling water. And the sparkling water is really yummy because it adds a nice fizz to our drink. All right. Whew, look how good that looks. Perfect. So then I'm gonna grab a straw and mix it all up. We don't want to mix out all of that fizz, but we also want to make sure that the coffee and the lemonade is mixed well. Perfect. And there you have our iced coffee lemonade. So we are definitely looking forward to hearing from you guys some of your favorite coffee recipes that we can recreate and share with you guys. So drink coffee, help teachers, and we'll see you next time.